you think that only you can look at the night sky, meet them. This is the dung beetle, that is, the dung beetle, which can see our galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy. You will be surprised to see the feats done by this dung beetle with space. We humans' eyes can see only visible light, but animals' eyes can also see some parts of the light which we cannot see. In such a situation, for these animals, this world appears completely different from that for us. This world is colorful. Some animals are living in a black and white world. So friends, let us know how this world and the universe are seen through the eyes of these animals. To know this, please watch this interesting video completely. Friends, the world is for a blind person. It is completely different, for that the visible world does not exist. But if you think that you are not blind, then it is your illusion. Because we all are also blind, we are able to see only some part of the light which is called visible light that is colorful. We can see the world itself, but a large part of the light is hidden within itself, the extraterrestrial world, which we cannot see. In this extraterrestrial world live different animals present on our Earth, like cows, horses, dogs, cats, our friends. First of all, in the list, let us talk about how the world appears through the eyes of a cat. Music. So friends, a cat does not see red and green colors. A cat sees the world in brown, yellow, and blue shades. Night vision is 6 times better than ours. It can easily see things in low light. A cat can also see UV light. In such a situation, a cat will be able to see more stars in the sky than us. Friends, if we talk about a frog, then the frog will know the world. It looks something like this. If you look at it carefully, the frog can see only things that are moving. If something is static, the frog will not see it. If the frog is shown the night sky, the frog will see the night sky as blurry. Will be visible, or it may not be visible to him because it is completely static. If we talk about marine creatures, fishes can see almost all the colors, like us humans. But there is also a fish which lives in black and white universe. That is, it cannot see any color except black and white. This fish is none other than the most dangerous predator of the sea, the shark. The shark sees everything in black and white. If the shark can see the night sky, then it will also be seen black and white. Talking about the next member of our list, reptiles that is, the eyes of snakes are not eyes at all, but it is like thermal glass. It only detects heat. Because of this, the world is only red-orange for snakes. And it is yellow in color only, that is, snakes are capable of detecting hot things. If there are cold things in front of them, then the snake will not know. In such a situation, if the snake is shown the night sky, then it will not be able to see anything. We can say that if we talk about a chameleon, then a chameleon sees the world almost like us, but it has a different power. A chameleon can move both its eyes sideways and at a time. Can focus on 2 things simultaneously. In such a situation, a chameleon will also be able to see the night sky almost like us, but will be able to see different stars independently with both eyes. If we talk about the dinosaurs present on the Earth 65 million years ago, then dinosaurs had binocular vision. That is, they were able to see an animal from a distance, just like we humans see through binoculars. After the end of dinosaurs, their flying species later evolved into birds, and birds had pigeons also have the vision to see from a distance. If we talk about pigeons, they can easily see food grains lying on the ground from a great height. You may be surprised to know that pigeons also use the Earth's magnetic field for navigation. If we talk about birds, the king of them all is the eagle. That is, the vision of an eagle is quite powerful. Like us, it can see all colors and can also see UV rays. Urine contains urea which glows in UV light. Hence, by detecting the urine of a rat running on the ground, the eagle can see the rat from a great height and catches it in the blink of an eye. An eagle can focus up to a distance of 1.5 kilometers. If we go near a dung beetle, that is, see the world through the eyes of a dung beetle, then this brother can detect polarized light and our galaxy. That is, they find their way at night with the help of the Milky Way galaxy. Friends, the stars will not be visible in the point size through the eyes of these insects. Rather, they see the stars like a blob. They can detect dim light. That is why they are our can see the galaxy. When some scientists did research on them, they found that during the nighttime, these dung worms were moving in a straight line using the light of the Milky Way galaxy. That is, they were using the light of the Milky Way for navigation. Let's do it, friends. You will be shocked if you see the world from the eyes of a rat, and it will be easy for you to understand why you cannot catch a rat so easily. Even a rat cannot see red light like a cat. For this everything it happens in slow motion, but it sees the world with blurred vision. Rats can move their eyes independently and can focus on two things at a time. This is why rats do not come easily to us, friends, if we talk. A dog cannot see red and orange colors, but for him, the world will be in blue and violet shades. If a dog is shown the night sky, then probably he will be able to see it in blue and violet shades. That is, it will be very beautiful for him. After this, if we look at the world through the eyes of a horse, then it lives in a different world. For them, the world is in gray, yellow, and blue shades, and not only in front, but they can also see behind. That is, they have 340-degree vision. This is the reason why the eyes around the horse's eyes are blocked in such a way that it can focus only in front. But there is a problem in the horse's vision because its eyes are on the side. Its vision will be blocked in the middle, as if a horse is looking through a window and is shown the night sky, then it will see the window vision of space, which is visible in gray, yellow, and blue shades. Now if we talk about the most amazing vision, that is, seeing the world through the eyes of a mosquito. If you see, you will get a superpower in it. Their eyes are made of thousands of lenses which are called omitted. They can see UV rays. And also they can see things in very slow motion, which is their superpower in this situation. For them, it is almost like a time freeze, meaning if you get their vision and speed, no one will be able to catch you. Now perhaps you must have understood why it is so difficult to kill mosquitoes and flies. But friends, the eyes of different animals. After seeing the world, doesn't this question arise in your mind that what is the truth? Is it what we are seeing or what these animals are seeing? If we were in a black and white world like a shark, we would probably, if we assume the existence of a colorful world, then friends, what will happen if we can see the light of all colors? That is, we can see all these like UV. If the brain can interpret all the frequencies of light, then you can also go mad because our brain will not be able to interpret all these frequencies simultaneously, and this information will confuse our brain. In such a situation, our brain will also have to evolve. To know what we will be able to see if we detect all the frequencies, if we talk about evolution, then the eyes of different animals have evolved according to the conditions of their surrounding environment. In such a situation, the organisms on the plates on which the presence of light is more. If our eyes will be completely different from ours, then friends, what do you think? What will happen if we can see all the frequencies of light? Do tell us in the comments. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep roaming in the universe.